If you want to know how I grew my brand new TikTok from to this, keep watching.
So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby.
Hey guys, so if you're anything like me, you get frustrated a lot with social media, mainly growth. Well, I decided to take my talents to TikTok and really study the algorithm and use a few hacks to see just how fast I can gain a lot of followers. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did and the methods I used to go from 0 followers to over 350 in only 7 days. I will also tell you the #1 app that you should have that will blow your TikTok up, I guarantee. So I wanted to drive more traffic to my Amazon storefront so that I can increase my sales, and I knew that I needed to rely on more than just posting random links to my personal social media accounts. So your first step in growing on TikTok or any other platform is determining your niche. So right away, I knew the majority, if not all of my TikTok videos would have to be focused on Amazon products, whether it's posting Amazon deals, Amazon unboxing videos, random finds, etc. You must stick to your niche so you don't confuse your target audience. Once I started posting different types of content, I realized that my videos on luxury dupes performed the best, so guess what I did? I started making more of those type of TikTok videos. Now, there's no need to reinvent the wheel with any of this when it comes to creating content. Make sure that most of the accounts that you're following are within your same niche. Once TikTok picks up on the type of content that you like to watch, they pump out and show you more of that type of content, especially if these accounts use similar hashtags to the one that you're using. Take some time every day to study these types of videos that perform the best on these accounts that you're following and do more of that. I'm not saying copy all of their videos front to back, but you do want to create similar content. For example, if you're into home organization, notice that the most popular videos in that niche are clean with me's, restocking home essentials, and ASMR videos. You should absolutely be posting those types of videos, as many will most likely go viral and attract followers who will watch your other videos. There is no cut and dry answer as to how many videos per day or week you should be posting that I can personally pinpoint. However, people follow your account because they expect to see more videos like the ones that led them to follow you in the first place. So I make sure to post 1 to 2 videos per day, but I'm sure posting even more won't hurt at all. So the more you post, the better the results.
Now, it may look like your video is stuck at only 2 or 3 views for a long time, anywhere up to like hours, but trust me, it will take off. And when it takes off, it's going to skyrocket and you're going to get followers in every minute. I promise you.
The top factors that the TikTok algorithm favor are trending sounds and hashtags. So to get an inside look at real time what sounds were trending, I use an app called TrendTalk. TrendTalk shows you metrics like top trending sounds globally, regionally, and even by your niche. And once I used one of the top 10 sounds that was on an upward trend, the views and follows started flooding in. Even if you use a sound and turn the sound all the way down on your video, TikTok will still recognize it and favor your video and blast it to more For You pages. TikTok allows you to use a ton of features to spice up your videos like effects, transitions, text, and your video should have some type of text involved, especially text that coincides with your hashtags and what your video is mainly about. Let's search a topic and see if you notice anything similar among the videos that pop up.
Now we're going to go ahead and click on the Discover tab at the bottom and type in how to, let's see what pops up. How to go viral. Let's go with that. So now that I click on that, what do you notice among all of these videos that are popping up? These are the top videos in that niche, and you can tell that they all have some type of text related to them. There's text on the video, the cover photo has text, some kind of text, and they're all related to the topic of how to go viral.
So all in all, if you apply all of these tips consistently, I promise you that your TikTok account will start to grow in no time. Comment down below if you would like to see more of these videos, and like this video even if you found one piece of information helpful that you can apply today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell notification next to it so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So that is all for today, my glam dolls. Y'all get out there and happy TikToking.